Bob Carr here for another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today is my son, and he's going to talk a little bit about Chick-fil-A and his job up at Chick-fil-A. I'm interested in this. Gabriel, how you doing, bud?
I'm good. About yourself?
Good, sir. So what are you seeing up at Chick-fil-A? You through all your training?
Yeah, I just got a training. I did the test for training. It was just, about all like what we do at Chick-fil-A and like the kind of ingredients that comes like in a salad or any other like sandwiches. So it was pretty easy test, not gonna lie.
Pretty easy test, but you didn't talk about you using the iPad for outside orders. You're talking about all the drinks you make when you're up making drinks or shakes. There's a lot goes into that. The test just wasn't about making how many make a salad. No.
Like the test was about like what everything we do at Chick-fil-A and like
all the steps.
And like how to treat customers and everything.
So you got a whole manual, and then your manager's going through each step. How do you greet a customer? How you take care of a customer if a complaint comes up?
Yep.
And then you go into all the procedures of how you make your drinks when you're running that machine, your milkshakes.
Yep.
And how about all the training you do on your iPad? Training you do on your iPad. Correct me.
Yeah. On the iPad is it's a lot different from the inside and from when you are outside, because the buttons are, I'll say like, are the same, goes to the same page, but there's different steps to do the orders. So I say it's easier outside than it's inside, because inside there is the machine there, and you have to deal with like money and like everything, and you have to like be doing the drinks that the customer asks for while you're taking the order.
Multitasking inside instead of outside. You're just steadily taking care of customers coming up.
Yeah, you just taking care of them, like asking what would be the order, and from there you just take the payment and send them to the window. But inside you have to be doing the drinks while they're ordering, and like sometimes there is like big orders that you have to do like multiple drinks while you're taking the order, and while you're dealing with money. So I think it's like you have to pay a lot of attention inside and then from iPad.
So which one of your favorite jobs, positions there?
I'll say shakes.
You like doing shakes?
Yeah, shakes is pretty fun because it's easier in a way, but the only thing you're doing there is just shakes and making sure everything is like going.
I didn't say it was easier. I said what's the most fun. You're associating fun with easy?
Well, not necessarily, but it's fun because like you
enjoy that better.
Yeah, you only do that one thing, and you don't have to like
to concentrate on one or two smaller items.
Yeah, you don't have to like be doing like multitasking. You're just there on shakes, and you just have to make sure like this shakes go to drive-through, this shakes goes to frontline. So I think it's fun, because you got to deal with like shakes, and people do like different orders of shakes. Like there's another order that came the last time I worked. It was like strawberry, chocolate, and cookies and cream. So it was like all the kind of like flavors that we have in like one shake. So it's really fun to like see what people are
you enjoy
into.
that mixing it up?
Yeah.
I got you. And what's one of the worst jobs there? Closing?
No, it depends actually.
Varies?
Yeah,
Depends on the weather?
It varies off like the team members that we have. Like if we have a lot of team members, excuse me. If I have a lot of team members like doing what they're supposed to do, it gets like pretty easy, and like we have to enjoy the job. But if there's like less people working, that would be like the hardest one and like the most annoying.
Because then you got a lot more to do.
Yeah.
So then it gets a little hard because everybody's trying to hustle up and make up for all the people who are not there.
Yeah.
I got you. So you enjoy working there?
Yeah. It's really fun.
Gabriel, appreciate you stopping in today and chatting with us a couple minutes.
Yes, sir. I appreciate having me here.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show, and we'll see you next week on another episode.